AV over IPOE. I'm Ryan and I'm joined by Derek here at the KitPlus show and at the Hollyland stand. How are you today, Derek?
Yes, it's good. This is a brilliant show and we meet a lot of interesting clients, yeah.
Fantastic. So we've done lots of content with Hollyland over years, but I've just seen the Pyro range, and that's something I've not had a chance to explore yet, and we've not done any content on. So, do you want to give us a quick introduction to the new Pyro range, please?
Yeah, of course. Pyro, actually the Pyro series is our new product for this year. It's wireless transmission product. For the Pyro, we have a Pyro H and Pyro S. Like the difference is Pyro H is a HDMI port. Pyro S have both HDMI and SDI. And the Pyro system, we have the transmission distance is around 400 meters, and it can support one transmitter to 4 receiver, which is very convenient during the daily work. And also we use a dual frequency, 2.4 G and 5 G together, and it will make our new product more stable during the connection.
So that's really interesting about using the two different frequencies. So I think when we was talking before, you were saying it maintains its connection over the 2.4 gigahertz.
Yeah.
And then is it the 5 gigahertz then for doing the data transmission, basically?
Yes, as I mentioned before, like for 5G frequency channel, it's only working for the video and the audio transmission. And for the 2.4G, we do like it will responsible for the signal connection. So it means the two channel is separately and work separately. It will make the connection more stable.
Fantastic. I see the monitor we've got here. Is that directly part of the Pyro system as well?
Yes, the Pyro 7 monitor actually is compatible with the Pyro H and Pyro S. This one, we have a 7-inch, which increased. If we compare with our last generation, we increased the screen. And also, it's also working like a dual frequency and support one transmitter to 4 receiver. This time we put the SD card inside. It can directly recording from our monitor.
That's a really useful feature, actually. It's always great to have that sort of backup recording out in the field. And you're saying so you can have 4 receivers coming into, so 4 receivers in that single transmitter.
Yes.
But I'm not sure if there's something you mentioned on the slides, I'm not sure if you're allowed to talk about it. What's coming new next year? You mentioned something around 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Is that something we can talk about?
Yeah, that will be our new product for next year. It's called the Cosmo C2. And the difference from the Cosmo C1, this time Cosmo C2 will support 2 transmitter to 1 receiver. Because we, in the previous years, we meet a lot of clients. They have some kind of a question like, you already do the multiple receiver with 1 transmitter. Why you just do the opposite? And that's the reason why next year we do the Cosmo C2. It's like a 2 transmitter to 1 receiver. You can see the 2 camera screen just in 1 screen at the end.
So that really opens up the sort of possibilities for film shoots, broadcasts, etc. It's a really powerful feature moving forwards. Yes. Well, where can people go if they want to learn a bit more about the Hollyland range of products?
You can directly go to Hollyland website. And we also have the Hollyland YouTube channel. You can directly see our new product information on YouTube or on website.
Yeah. Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for the introduction, and I'll see you at ISE.